And this will be Porta Potty number 4 we've reviewed here in this new little subdivision here in the city of Raleigh, North Carolina, right behind a school. A piece of land here. Looks like they're building a number of homes here. 3 are under construction. We looked at those first 3 porta potties over there, and this one looks like it's just here for this new home being built here. Got the foundation, looks like, started. It could be for that one over there. Looks like that home's going to have a basement. It's like a United Site Services, and it is reeking with urine as I walk behind it here. Wait for this tractor to go by here, and we're going to go in. Here we go. Portable restroom sinks, temporary fences, portable storage, restroom trailers, and more. Oh gosh, is this smell in here? And the hand sanitizer's been ripped out. And this is the one and only that's had a last clean date. May 9th. There is our urinal with its little urine muffler on there. Some toilet paper back there. And a dirty toilet. Wow, is it hot in here. This one doesn't look that old. One of them more modern ones, newer ones. Satellite Industries. There's our vent pipe. Something's got stuck on there, a sticker. And one full roll of toilet paper and a partial roll. Need a ventilated floor in here. It's very hot. And I like this lock they got here. It is really secure instead of having a padlock. It's like toilet paper, or the outside of the toilet paper. That's secure if anybody wants to steal. Ah, wow, is it hot in here? And I wonder what kind of writing's on there. I'm not going to touch it. Let's go check the outside out here. Got a fuel tank there, a diesel fuel tank, I'm sure. Very low area here, so I'm not sure what exactly this is. This is a home or just, I would think so. United Site Services. Sitting a little bit crooked, but sitting on skids. Not too bad, just smells really bad in there. Only one that had a last posted clean date. I'll give this one a medium thumbs. Not too bad. And this is a new housing subdivision here being developed in the city of Raleigh, North Carolina. Not far from a high school, middle school, and grammar school.